Good morning, everybody. Ileana Farmer here. It's a nice, wet, dewy morning. We're gonna cut some more wheat today. I just got done checking cows, checking for heats, and I guess I got up a little earlier than I was supposed to because everybody's supposed to meet at 8 o'clock, and we're gonna go to Champaign and haul 4 loads of wheat this morning. So I've got a little downtime. It's about 7 o'clock, so we got an hour to kill. I'm gonna run across the state line, go get a coffee. Probably feel better about a lot of things after that. Well, now that the 2 trucks are started, already on my 5-minute break for today. And we'll start the other 2. As you can tell, we need to air up the airbags on this truck. I'm not even going to show you that pipe. Nothing comes out of it. That's 4 trucks. Count them. Didn't have to get a battery charger out. Nothing. You guys might be wondering what that noise is. That's just a lot of horsepower. Don't be scared. Okay, that scared me. Alright, so we're maybe 20 minutes into the drive. Tire has been fixed. Probably can't see him in the mirror. We got 4 trucks rolling. Too bad we aren't going to this elevator. Wouldn't that be nice? Right down the road from the house. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna have to pull it over, I think. 45 miles in, I feel I need a rest. We are pulling in. We finally made it up here to Champaign. Now that we've got our ticket, they've taken a sample of the wheat. They've tested it on their moisture tester and their test weight. They tell us to go to pit 3, so we'll pull in here and dump. Our wheat is dumped. We're going to take this little ticket and drive around here. And what they're going to do is they will weigh our truck and trailer empty against what it weighed full. And then they'll know how much weight we took off of this and pay us for that weight unloaded. So, Brian, he's coming off the scale over there. So we'll be out of here in no time. Does it look warm in here? I think my air conditioner just quit working. Oh my gosh, this truck doesn't even... Just over 10,000 miles on this thing. I'm gonna shut it off. Maybe it'll reset something. I don't know. It's gonna be about 95 today, so... I'll make it. I mean, I just won't like it. Please don't be broke. That's what she said. Headed back to the field. Something everybody should know. When you first learn to drive a semi, the main thing you should know how to do is pull this. Yeah, Chimichong, you got a copy?
Yeah, Chimichong, I do.
This is how you check and see if your wheat's dry.
I don't know, maybe when I holler at you, maybe you're around the tractor or something. I don't know. I figured you turned yours on.
It almost turns into powdery, kind of cracks, it snaps really easy. If you bite into a piece of wheat and it's kind of squishy or really soft and you can't just snap it clean, it's probably not ready. And that's a wheat harvest tip of the day. And it doesn't taste very good either. Hey guys, I blew a hydraulic hose. I didn't mean to do it, it just happened somehow. The guys that are here to bale some straw showed up. That's a big high-speed rake they're running. That's some wheat straw for you. And a nice big windrow. Windrow is what they call taking all that loose stuff scattered in an even layer, kind of even, and you rake it to the center. You rake this to the center, and the baler comes through here, and then they pick all this up and roll it up. This is a little bit that we went around a fence post here, but I never did get a close-up of what we were actually cutting out here. This is wheat. And this is what the head looks like. It's kind of prickly feeling, but anyways, the combine kind of does something like this. And then the trash is separated. And then you're left with the wheat. tools are out. It's never a good thing. So this is what brings the grain in through the head, and this was broke. You take out 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, put a new one in, and now we're ready to go back and combine. And I didn't run the combine, but I had to fix it, so I don't understand that part of it, but I think it has to do with my age and my knowledge. Maybe not. Probably just my age. He broke it. The big combine's getting ready to go across the creek. 20 acres across there, 22 maybe. And that combine has got to go finish 5 acres when my grandpa gets back. We should be getting closer. Could get done today. We very well could. I had to do that just for fun. Hey, look, a straw bale. And another, and another, and another. Okay guys, so wheat harvest is officially done, and if you like this video that you're watching, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have tons of videos on here similar to this one. Give this one a thumbs up. The rest of them you should do the same. We'll see ya.